it.
What are you looking for?
I'm trying to look for this kind of this.
The wheelbarrow? Is right here.
No, this way.
Yeah, it's right here.
No, this way.
This one here? The wheelbarrow or the person?
This way.
Okay. Behind you there.
No,
Hmm?
it's not.
There's a bunny under your foot.
Huh?
There's a bunny under your leg.
Where?
The other leg right there. Right here. You found it.
Where's the water?
I don't know.
Let's go outside. Where is it? Where? What I had? Where's the sun you had?
What are you looking for?
I'm trying to look for this. Oh,
What do you have?
I have a bucket.
You got a bucket? Yeah.
Here, let's clean this up.
You're going to clean up the bucket? Okay.
Let's go outside, clean up the bucket.
You want to put water in the bucket? Just pretend right now, okay?
Let's
Can you
go.
find a horse? Can you find a horse with all that stuff? Good job. What color's that horse?
It's brown.
It's brown and what?
Black.
Yeah.
What's those people? Those people are running. They're supposed to ride. They want to ride. You can't ride. You can't sit down.
What about the other person? Try that one. He's bigger.
No.
Try it. Push it a little harder.
He sits down. Other person. Her head.
You're putting on his hat? Yeah.
What's his head? Here, put it on for him.
Alright.
He gets mad.
Before he gets mad here.
He gets mad all the time.
This guy gets mad all the time?
So I can push him.
Okay.
Here you go, Maddie. Here you go. Oops, he fell off. Hello. Yeah, here, talk to him.
Hello, how are you doing? Are you having a good horse ride today?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm going to take for you a ride. Beep, beep. Where's that?
61 pieces, Cynthia.
He needs to get a ride too.
The little one's getting a ride too?
The little one can't get a ride.
No?
He can. Maybe this will help. He can get a ride. Nope, he doesn't. Fix them. Fix it. Here.